Generative AI is going to change marketing forever. Yesterday, a new report came out with some pretty shocking predictions about what's going to happen in the next few years. And it's not just chatbots, it's way bigger than that. In fact, the report says that by 2030, generative AI will account for 16% of all marketing spend globally. That's nearly $900 billion. And it gets crazier. They predict that 50% of all ads viewed by consumers will be created by AI. And they also predict that 50% of all marketers will have an AI-driven marketing assistant. This is happening way faster than people realize. We're already seeing this shift in the real estate industry. One company called Open Door was able to use AI to generate realistic images of home renovations before they even started. The company saved hundreds of thousands of dollars, and they were able to get better quality results than they would have ever imagined. Another company called VHT Studios uses AI to enhance their real estate photos. They've been able to remove objects from photos, change the lighting, even change the weather. And this has made their photos much more appealing to potential home buyers. Now, this is all really exciting, but it also means that we need to start thinking differently about our marketing. We can no longer rely on the same old strategies. We need to be willing to experiment with new things, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and we need to be willing to learn from our mistakes. If we don't do this, we'll be left behind. The report also talks about how generative AI is going to impact the creative side of marketing. Soon, AI will be able to generate images, videos, and even copy based on a few simple prompts. This means that we'll be able to create more personalized and targeted marketing campaigns. But it also means that we need to be careful about how we use this technology. We don't want to create fake news or spread misinformation. We need to use this technology responsibly and ethically, but perhaps the most important thing that we need to remember is that AI is not going to replace us. At least I hope that's not the case. AI is going to augment our abilities. It's going to allow us to do our jobs more efficiently and more effectively. It's up to us to decide how we want to use it. So are you ready for the future of marketing? Are you ready for generative AI? Personally, I am excited about the possibilities. I think that this is going to be a great opportunity for us to push the boundaries of what's possible and to create some amazing results for our clients. But I also know that we need to be prepared for the challenges that lie ahead. We need to be willing to learn and to adapt. And I think that if we do that, then we'll be able to thrive in the future of marketing. So what do you think? How is generative AI going to impact your business? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about AI and how you can use it to improve your marketing, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.